During the 6 weeks defamation trial, it seems Amber Heard has finally broken apologized to Johnny Depp in the courtroom. What was Johnny Depp's reaction to this, considering everything she's done? It may surprise all of you. Throughout today's video, we'll be checking out the lawsuit involving the pair and all the key details. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video so you don't miss out on any key information. Welcome back to Loaf. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and switch on the notification bell to receive updates on new celebrity videos. Let's jump right into the video and find out if Amber Heard really did apologize to Johnny Depp, and the reason for it. Johnny Depp and Amber Heard timeline. Johnny Depp and Amber Heard initially met as co-stars on the set of a film, The Rum Diary, in 2011. Before the orders of protection, before the divorce, and even before the marriage. After Depp and his longtime partner, Vanessa Paradis, called it quits, a few years after they first met on the set of The Rum Diary, the two finally started dating in 2012. In a July 2013 interview with Rolling Stone, Depp discussed the separation, saying, "Relationships are very difficult." Depp didn't mention Heard in the Rolling Stone essay, which was typical of him and Heard, who kept their relationship a secret until they made their first public appearance as a pair at the 7th Annual Heaven Gala in January 2014. Johnny Depp and Amber Heard married on February 5, 2015, barely a year after being engaged. The pair married on Depp's private island in the Bahamas, which spans 44 acres. Trouble reportedly began to impair the couple's relationship almost as soon as they tied the knot, so the pleasure and love would be short-lived. Depp allegedly got into a disagreement with Heard in March 2015 and then proceeded to shatter bottles, windows, and other items around the house. During the event, Depp is said to have chopped off a part of one of his fingers. Depp allegedly placed the stump of his finger in a can of paint and used it to write "Billy Bob" and "Easy Amber" on a mirror instead of seeking medical assistance right away. In response to Depp's claims that Heard cheated on him with her co-star Billy Bob Thornton in the film London Fields. In May of that year, the pair was arrested in Australia after officials discovered that Depp and Heard had brought their Yorkshire Terriers into the nation illegally by failing to submit the canines to the country's 10-day quarantine. The pair could have been sentenced to up to 10 years in prison, but instead merely had to apologize. On May 23, 2016, 15 months after they exchanged the vows, Heard filed for divorce. In May 2016, Heard filed a temporary restraining order against Depp, alleging that she had been harmed by Depp. A photo of many bruises on Heard's face was apparently included in the petition, which she claimed were caused by Depp. Depp was ordered by a judge to stay at least 100 yards away from Heard and not to communicate with his estranged wife. The restraining order would be overturned, however, since Heard recanted her charges against Depp just one day before the hearing. According to a statement acquired by The Hollywood Reporter from the couple, the relationship was intensely passionate and at times volatile. It was always bound by love. On August 16, 2016, Depp and Heard agreed to a $7 million divorce settlement. After their divorce was finalized, Johnny Depp and Amber Heard went their separate ways, and things looked to be settling down when Heard became romantically engaged to millionaire scientist Elon Musk in the spring of 2017. However, the relationship was short-lived. Heard revealed on social media in August 2017 that the couple had broken up but would remain close. In March 2019, Depp and his legal team launched a $50 million defamation action against his ex-wife. According to the lawsuit, Heard was the aggressor in the relationship and had abused Depp. Depp's lawyer, Adam Waldman, told the publication that they had many eyewitness reports, as well as video and photographic proof, indicating Heard was faking her claims of injuries. Depp feels that Heard's op-ed was written in an attempt to create positive publicity for Miss Heard and boost her career, and that Disney dismissed him from the Pirates of the Caribbean franchise as a result. The legal team for Depp also alleged that the op-ed was written to promote Heard's picture Aquaman, which was released just 3 days after the essay. Heard filed a motion to dismiss the complaint in April 2019, according to Deadline, claiming that Depp was violent on multiple occasions throughout their relationship. The motion contains more than just evidence of Depp's abuse, which she referred to as the monster when he behaved badly. Depp and his legal team responded to Heard's request a month later, on May 20, 2019, claiming that Heard had made up the claims against her ex-husband and that she had been in court with painted-on bruises. Depp also claimed that Heard had abused him during the course of the relationship. Depp's legal team announced in July 2019 that James Franco would be subpoenaed because he was seen on a 2016 surveillance footage beside Heard after she allegedly got into a dispute with Depp. In early 2020, the matter became much more complicated when audio from a 2015 therapy session involving the couple was published online. Throughout the audio, both Heard and Depp admitted to having anger issues before agreeing to put a halt to the physical violence before things got out of hand. Another libel action brought by Johnny Depp came to a close in November 2020 when a British judge ruled that News Group newspapers had not committed defamation when the Sun newspaper was defamed. In a 2018 report, the actor was referred to be a wife-beater. The actress's evidence was vital to the case's conclusion, since the judge sided with her after she made repeated charges of alleged abuse by Depp. The Johnny Depp and Amber Heard defamation case eventually went to trial in Fairfax County, Virginia on April 11, 2022, after what seems like years of delays, which, when all is said and done, could put an end to the entire affair. Amber Heard's op-ed in the Washington Post might result in a $50 million judgment against her or a $100 million judgment against her former spouse, depending on which side the 12-person jury stands with. Highlights from the trial thus far. Johnny Depp took the stand on Tuesday, the fifth day of the trial, to give his testimony. When confronted by his own legal team, the actor described his ex-wife Amber Heard's allegations of abuse as heinous. The 58-year-old actor detailed his history of substance abuse, which he claims began when he was 11 years old, when he would bring his mother Betty Sue nerve pills and consume them himself. He did say, however, that Heard's statements of drug addiction had been embellished. He claims to have remarked in an interview with TV Guide that by the time he was 15, he'd pretty much done all the substances his character had. He claims he told the publication the truth, saying, "One day you'll have to face those demons of your youth." He also told the court about his first meeting with the actress, which took place in the 2011 film The Rum Diary, in which the two co-starred. Depp admitted he felt something he shouldn't be feeling during the couple's first kiss on set, which took place in a shower. Depp offered an apology to all of those who have had to read my text, which got revealed in court and stirred up the internet. He says, "I'm embarrassed and ashamed that the heat of the moment and the pain went to dark places. Sometimes pain has to be dealt with humor, sometimes very dark humor. I grew up watching Monty Python." Anyway, only time will tell what comes from this lawsuit, as it can last up to 6 weeks long. Who do you feel will win the case and why? Be sure to let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. This concludes today's video. Be sure to subscribe to Loaf for future celebrity videos and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads. Until then, see you in the next one.